It's the stacker cars. See the big car on the bottom? There's a driver down there. See the little car up top? There's a driver up there too. The driver on the bottom has no steering wheel. No steering wheel at all. But he does have a gas pedal and a brake pedal. See the driver up top? They have no gas pedal and brake pedal, but they do have a steering wheel. So they've got to work together, and they've got to try to find a way to navigate around this tricky track with literally a car on top of it. And this is going to be crazy. I mean, I've seen cars topple over here before. I've seen Rangers flip. I don't know what to expect here in this one, folks. I'm just as nervous as you. But this is a class that we are going to continue to build. They're going to add this on to events and Cleetus and Cars events all throughout the year. And we're going to try to see what we can do. When they come by, they're going to get the 1 to go signal. Seriously, I don't know if I would prefer to be in control of the gas pedal on the bottom and then literally just be along for the ride, or at least be up top and at least have like a steering wheel in my hand, you know? Something along those lines. All right, Wheel and Pace truck is in the infield. We're gonna do a little Indy style start here. We're gonna start these things 3 wide, ready to go for 10 laps. Make some noise, here they come. The stacker cars are green at the Freedom Factory. Right up the middle goes the 6 car. Remember, car on the bottom has the gas and brakes. Car up top is the one that's doing the steering. It's Cleetus out in front, the jack stand Jimmy. Jimmy coming off an impressive run during sick week. He had Ruby up there running up front, but now trying to hold off Rock Sweeter and Weber in the number 39 trying to close in. How about here comes the 96. Dr. Parker Mitchell and Spicy Spence all the way up to second. J.H. Diesel closing in the number 6, or rather in the 88. You've got Brett from BFI Speed, Dave Walker in third. 39 Rock Sweeter and Weber back in the 4 spot as they get spread out just a little bit, but we got a battle for the race lead. Cleetus and Jack Stand Jimmy trying to hold off Parker. And Spicy Spence, here comes Brett from PFI Speed, and Dave Walker, though, making a move to the lead. What a battle, side by side down the back straightaway. Brett from PFI Speed and Dave Walker on the bottom are going to take the race lead. Cleetus and Jimmy back to second, looking to possibly make a little contact there. And we're going to come to halfway this time by. 5 laps completed, there'll be 5 laps to go. Looks like we may have had a car in the wall there back straightaway. It looks like that might have been the 18 of Zach Walker and Ty Braun. May have gotten into the wall, and there's some damage to the front of that car as well as the car on the bottom. And they have definitely made contact with the outside wall. They've got a right front tire that's down. 18 of Zach Walker and Ty Braun trying to get something in. Here comes Cleetus again, and Jimmy trying to mount a charge once again on Brett and Dave. Bottom of the racetrack. Are they going to make contact? Cleetus and Jack stand Jimmy. And coming in third is going to be J.H. Diesel and Justin. What the heck was that? You tried, you gave it your best, but how was that?
I'm not gonna lie, that was so much scarier than practice. James was not lifting until like my upper car was rubbing the catch fence. I was like kicking the floor. Jackson was just flooring it, but that was an absolute blast. Congrats to the winner. On to the next thing.
Great job, guys, bringing it home second there, but make some noise. Make some noise for your winners, Brent from PFI Speed and Dave Walker. Holy crap, guys. That was nuts. That was nuts.
That was crazy.
So how do you even decide this? Do you draw straws? Do you flip a coin? Who gets the top car? Who gets the bottom car?
I always have to be on top. Woo!
Congratulations, guys. What do you guys think of the Stacker cars? Are they here to stay? I think so too.